What's up, bros? It's PewDiePie. No, it's not. It's not PewDiePie. Alright, so we basically have a ton of things happening. So apologies for a few videos missing. Little update. Stuff in the shop is everywhere, but semi-sorted. So we've got anginas all the way up there. No, you can't have them. There is some down here that I will be selling if you need. So I do have some EF motors here with some unknown history, basically. So I do want to get rid of them to get some space. This mighty thing is definitely stretching us mentally and physically. Actually, quite physically, because I spent half a day adjusting the exhaust. So there it goes. I've got the exhaust sorted. We actually had a problem with the torque converter bolts being too long. So that is now sorted as well. So we've got Dellington on the rest of it, diff oils, all that stuff happening. It's almost done. Fingers crossed, by next week, it's tuned and going and not in the shop no more. So that is hopefully going to happen. Now we've got this is our fab room. There we go. There we go. This is our fab room. And our angina room. This is our angina room now. How good is this? Bit of stuff going to shop. That last week was actually insane. We had basically everything out. I can't believe how long it took. But we're done. So if you're missing us, obviously Archie content's been super weird. Like, I don't know, it's been weird that it just feels like drifting's like at the moment. But we've got some more coming. So we've got a bit of stuff going on in the shop now that we're back on. We do have a few Fiacan things pretty much starting to come along. So it'll be good. I don't even know where this video's taking us this week. So you're just on for the ride.
How you going? Welcome back.
Oh yeah, Quinny also was like, wants help changing his light bulb.
Light bulb.
So, I mean, I just figured this will do it. This will get to the bulb.
Give them some perspective. I've tried to change it for an hour. David's tried to change it for an hour. And now Nick's trying to change it. And the only way to take it off is by taking the front bar off. Or just... I'm not going to do that.
Hammer it is.
Don't ask the dude that used to work in Nissan, but
No, how do you do it? Hammer's the best. Hammer's
you can't
the
fix it
best.
with a hammer, it's electrical problem.
Well, we unfortunately, there's no
I
warranty
need to
bin
change
here.
the headlight in the front.
Oh, look at this. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Look at that.
My hand's cramped every time trying to get it down.
Yes, we're old. 380 Mooney Bridge. Gareth here. Alright, I'm about to call Benny for the dyno. Because we're done. Dipstick is in. It's done. Yep. No regret. Actually, no, we're still waiting for the box. And then those breathers to be hooked up to the box. But we're almost there. Almost there. So we've finally kind of made it back into the shed. It has honestly been a while. Like that, I actually needed to get back into here because I forgot what's left. Now, round 2 for the Revolution GP is around the corner. It's either a week or 2. I think it's 2 weeks, actually. So I thought I should pull my finger out and actually do something. So the 33 is actually not... I mean, it wasn't far before. It is a bit closer. Nick started welding his exhaust because he couldn't wait for me anymore. I've had some personal family things happening, so it's been a bit hard for time. I'm not even going to show you because it looks that damn hideous. So comment below if you really want to see it, but I'll film a separate video. But I really don't think you want to see it. He did warn me not to look at it. He does not know how to weld. It's kind of an exhaust. You don't want to see it. Anyway, the rest of the stuff is looking good. Thought cable not be like that, bruh. What is this? What is he done here? Nicholas. Anyway, that needs to... Anyway, I got to sort that out. That's one of the reasons I'm here. But yeah, air filter for your air filter. Main thing is, because none of you are actually interested in this and stuff on this channel. It's all about the 80 Falcon. So, this little thing. Obviously, still yellow stickered. Haven't got to sort that out. This I need to get sorted because it's hideous. This side I think we're just going to do the L buff because I've repaired it that many times. And the front bar. So I think that's all that's going to happen to this. We're going to give it a wash. It has got some coolant in it now, so that's that'll please the. But I don't know. I think I don't know. Tell me if I should just drive it up or not. I don't know. I don't know if I should drive it up there. I don't know. I might tow it. But also on the same weekend is the round 2 of the Minifab Drift Series at Raleigh Raceway, which I was using Dazza for. So I'm doing obviously Pro-Am. So I wouldn't be taking that into Pro-Am because that was the point, and I wasn't allowed to drive Dazza in the Pro. Otherwise I would have done that. So I don't really want to just jump in and out of which series. Like I could. They're quite lenient at Raleigh, which is cool, but I just don't want to be that guy. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to stick with the one class and just do that. So I'm not going to use that. I need to find, well, I don't even know what Dazzler fully looks like. So I'm going to go into the other shed. It's not even in the shed. I'm going to try and go have a look and see if I can even find out. But the thing is in terrible shape. Sounds horrendous. There's so many problems. I don't know if we're going to have enough time to do all this. But Nick does want to drive the 33. We've got a ton of crap in here because we've done the shop clean out. So as anyone knows, you just never get fully rid of everything. You just shift it over from one place to another. So we've got a freaking bench upside down here. But this thing, we're still meant to paint it. Oh, I don't know. It's cutting. I know it's funny because it's been so long between first round and this round, but with just making it to the round, getting out of the car, pushing to get the 33 done, not getting it done, finishing the 8, just all the stuff. In the last couple of weeks, we did do a move in the shed, like you guys probably seen. So we basically had to put a whole week aside, day and night. To get that thing sorted. Well, I was actually doing really early mornings to get that sorted, which was good because it's been raining this week, which hasn't worked out. Plus, they've been cutting a ton of trees and frigging the whole car park's been a mess. So, thank goodness we did it a week before. Anyway, so I'm going to go have a look at that. This thing is, look, I don't think I'm going to touch it. We're probably going to have to share this car again because, well, no. I highly doubt we're going to have the 33 done. I don't know, I might drive the Mustang. It's a pain to drive. I don't know. There's enough people going, yep, drive the Mustang. I'll probably drive the Mustang. I don't know, it just gets so expensive with tyres. And trying to do 2 events in one weekend. So the Revolution GP is on a Friday and a Saturday. The Saturday and Sunday is the Rally Drift Series. So I can probably pull some strings and then get in and just do my thing on the Sunday. But I don't want to be that guy. I'm always like, if you're going to do an event, rock up for the event fully. So, but I kind of like to drive. So I'm going to have a look at Dazza, find out what's going. So I just had to pop in today and find out what the heck's going on. What do we even have here? The Subi on the hoist is, you guys will be seeing that very soon. We did finally take it to the track. We will do the big reveal. It did let us down pretty quickly. But it'll all be revealed. So that's also what's on the hoist here. So I could find out what the heck happened. And then I'm going to make the video. But it's still dirty. Alright. So. That is how Dazza is looking. So I'll make our way here. So the rear's not too great. Bit dirty. Not great. Then if we make our way here, so the whole thing is quite sad. Also, it is full of stuff. Oh, there's my GoPro mount. So, yeah. Alright, this is pretty nice. So, I know, I'll start up for you guys, but I know he's in quite rough shape. I mean, that I can pop back out fairly well and get that back into kind of steady shape. Put a tail light in, so I do want to look neat. Like, I don't want to just take it looking like this. All right, well, let's just see if that's the door key. Sounds pretty healthy. What are we? Oh yeah. Doesn't sound great underneath. Let's just make our way. Well. Oh. He's busted me 4480. Hey, that's not good, man. That's not good at all. That's great. Well. That confirms the noise. So they've got to take the exhaust off. Great. Well, that's it for now. I guess we'll take it to the shop in the next few weeks or so, and well, next week actually. I don't even have that much time, so I'll take it to the shop and we'll have a look at it there. So you guys will see that in the next episode.